guys, welcome to another lab flip video. This time we're going to be exploring methods of heat transfer. Heat, of course, means we have to have heat, which means there's going to be some safety concerns. So let's just quickly walk through all 6 stations. We'll do this over the course of 2 days. Make sure you know what you have to do to be safe at each station. Definitely got to follow the no loose clothes, hair tied back, closed-toed shoes for sure on this one. So we're going to start here with this station. Your instruction cards are pretty clear, I think. Check off each step as you go, but you're going to be putting some chocolate chips on a strip of foil across some cups, and of course we're going to have to light the candles. I don't know what I did with my lighter. You'll have to ask us to light them for you, just like we did the last time we used candles, and just be very careful. Of course, with a candle, the foil will heat up. So, and check off, I think I said that, check off the list. Miss Garcia is reminding me. If I didn't say it, I'm going to say it again. Check off the list. If you follow step by step, you will have every station come out perfect and you'll get great results. Follow the instructions, get good results. That's what we like. You're going to have a sheet, of course. Make sure you're at the correct station. This happens to be station 1. Find station 1 on your sheet. And then keep checking for all of your stations. You're going to have data. You're going to have information. Some of the stations take longer than others, so this is what's going to happen. We're going to have twice as many of the longer stations, which will be 1 and 6. And so half the kids will be working on 1 or 6, and the other half will be working on the other. So some of you will be doing 2 stations in the same time that another group is doing just 1 station. That way you won't have a lot of time sitting around twiddling your thumbs waiting for the long station to get done. So we'll kind of help you walk through what that looks like when you get to class that day. So again, fire, heat, be careful. Second station, next 3 stations will be on the back. This is going to be a demonstration. You are going to come up to wherever your teacher is, and she will have this water heating. She will have a pinwheel, and you will have to observe what's happening and answer some questions. Please make sure you answer the questions for each section before you move on, because you're going to forget what happened at that station because you're going to get wrapped up in the next one. So before you move on, all your questions and information for that station need to be recorded on your sheet. Station 3 is just a toaster. You may or may not have used one before. Please be nice to our toasters. We would like them to work for us for a long time. There will be bread. You will be allowed to eat it. That, again, is in your instructions. So make sure you're following your instructions and answering your questions. The next station is going to be on the computer. It is a video. You're going to watch the little video and then record your observations. Just follow the steps. And again, questions to answer on the sheet. That'll be here. When we get to stations 5 and 6, that'll be the second page of your lab, the second piece of paper. You're going to have a jar. You're going to put, there'll be a bucket of sand here, but you're going to put some sand in the jar, and you're going to take the temperature of the sand. Then after you record, and that's going to be here on the vernier. Again, how to do that is in your step-by-step instructions. Hit the green arrow, record for 10 seconds, write down the temperature, everything right here. So these will be laminated. You'll have dry erase markers to check them off. But you're going to take the temperature, and then you're going to put the lid on the jar nice and tight. You kind of have to fiddle with them a little to get them on. I do this at home because I use this stuff. There we go. Get it on nice and tight, and then you're going to shake for 3 straight minutes. Don't stop. So if you need to hand it off because your arms get tired, that's fine. This is a great workout though. 3 minutes, so you'll have to time it. And when the 3 minutes are up, you're going to take the lid off and take the temperature again. And again, you've got some questions to answer. Temperature recorded here, and then answer your questions. Station 6 is a very fascinating video about how hot air balloons work and how something as light as air can lift up hundreds of pounds worth of basket and equipment. And of course, it's due to how the heat is managed, heat transfer. So you're going to watch the video. It's about 6 or 7 minutes long, and then you're going to have some questions to answer. When you're done with all 6 stations, you will have a summary where you're going to have to tell us which type of heat transfer you observed, and then you're going to be writing us a paragraph. Yes, you are going to write And we expect you to follow all the rules that your English teacher gives you about good writing. So again, we're using heat. We want you to be safe, so watch for long hair. Don't have baggy clothes. We might let you take your lanyards off. We don't want to catch them on fire. And make sure you're fully filling out your lab station. And the secret word this month in honor of Thanksgiving is going to be gobble gobble.